How to earn money from YouTube channel. There are several ways to earn money from a YouTube channel. 1. Advertisements. Once you have enough subscribers and views on your videos, you can monetize your channel through advertisements. Google AdSense will place ads on your videos, and you will earn a share of the revenue generated by these ads. 2. Brand sponsorships. You can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content for your channel. This is a great way to earn money and build relationships with brands in your niche. 3. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services through your channel. This is known as affiliate marketing. You can place links to products or services in your video descriptions or even mention them in your videos. 4. Selling merchandise. You can sell merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, hats, or other items with your logo or branding. 5. Channel memberships. If you have a loyal following, you can offer channel memberships, which gives subscribers access to exclusive content or perks in exchange for a monthly fee. To earn money from a YouTube channel, you will need to meet certain requirements and follow specific steps. 1. Create a YouTube channel. If you haven't created a YouTube channel yet, you will need to do so. You can do this by signing in to YouTube with your Google account and following the prompts to set up your channel. 2. Meet the eligibility requirements. To monetize your channel, you will need to meet certain eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 3. Enable monetization. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can enable monetization for your channel. To do this, go to your YouTube Studio and click on the Monetization tab. Follow the prompts to set up your AdSense account and enable monetization for your videos. 4. Create quality content. To attract viewers and earn money, you will need to create high-quality content that people want to watch. This could include tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or any other type of video that you are passionate about and that will engage your audience. 5. Promote your channel. You will need to promote your channel to attract more subscribers and viewers. This could include sharing your videos on social media, collaborating with other creators, or running ads. 6. Utilize other monetization strategies. In addition to ads, you can also earn money from your YouTube channel through other monetization strategies, such as sponsored content, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. 7. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. But with patience and persistence, you can earn money and build a loyal audience on the platform. It's important to note that earning money from a YouTube channel takes time and effort. You will need to create high-quality content, promote your channel, and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.